Wait, seriously? I wasn't expecting this fragrance to stop me in my tracks. Okay, now I get it. That opening is actually incredible. Not gonna lie, this smells way more expensive than I expected. That surprised me. People actually kept asking what I was wearing. Honestly, I'm genuinely obsessed. If you're looking for a signature scent, you need to try this.
The video you just watched is a fully produced advertisement. And here's the kicker. It was created entirely using free AI tools with no budget and no fancy equipment. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the complete process step by step so you can replicate it yourself and make your very own ad featuring your own custom character and your own product. Just like I did. And yes, that includes producing a full cinematic product advertisement that looks polished enough to run anywhere. Now, before we jump into the actual workflow, there are 3 things you'll need to gather up front. First, a product image. And this can be absolutely anything you want, whether it's a watch, a bottle of perfume, a piece of clothing, or even a digital item, whatever you're promoting. Second, you'll need a character image, which is the person or avatar that will act in your advertisement and bring your product to life. And third, you'll need the master prompt, which I've conveniently attached in the description of this video. So go ahead and pause here, grab that, and keep it handy because we'll be using it throughout. All right, with those 3 things ready, let's begin. Open up your browser, search for Flow on Google, and click the very first link that appears. Once you're on the site, log in or create a quick account. And the very first thing we need to do is generate multiple angles of your character using AI, because that's what will allow us to maintain visual consistency across every single scene of the ad. To do that, click on the plus icon, then select Upload Media, and upload the character image you prepared earlier. After that, simply drag that image and drop it directly into the prompt box. Now, head over to the settings. Click on that gear icon and select Image as the output type. Choose an aspect ratio of 16:9. Set the output number to 1, and make sure you're using the Nano Banana Pro model for the best quality. As for the prompt itself, remember that prompt document I mentioned in the description? Open it up, scroll all the way to the end, and you'll find a prompt clearly labeled Generate Character Reference from Different Angles. Copy that exact prompt, paste it into Flow, and click the Generate button. Within just a few seconds, you'll have a single image that contains your character from multiple different angles, all neatly arranged in one frame, and that's your golden ticket for keeping your character looking consistent throughout every shot of your advertisement. Once that step is done, we move on to the actual ad creation phase. Go back to that same prompt document, and this time look for the master prompt. This is the one specifically designed to generate video prompts for each scene of your ad. Copy that master prompt, open up ChatGPT, and paste it in. Then, click on the plus icon, select Add Photos and Files, upload your product image first, and then upload your character image as your visual reference. Why do we do this? Because by feeding ChatGPT those references, it can actually see and understand what your product and character look like, which means the prompts it generates will be far more accurate, detailed, and context-aware than if we just described them with text alone. Once both images are uploaded, press Enter and ChatGPT will generate 5 separate prompts, each one formatted in JSON, and each one corresponding to a different scene in your ad. For example, Part 1 is Scene 1, Part 2 is Scene 2, and so on. We'll generate each of these scenes one by one, individually. Now that we have those prompts, it's time to bring everything together and actually produce the video. Head back to Flow, and before you worry about costs, let me put your mind at ease. I happen to have the Pro version here, but even if you don't, Flow gives you 50 free credits every single day, which is more than enough to get started. And if you ever run out of credits, simply switch to a different email address and keep generating. It's that simple. Back in Flow, Click the plus icon again, choose Upload Media, and this time, upload your product image. We already have your character's multi-angle image from the previous step, so we'll use that as well. Now, drag both the product image and the character reference image into the prompt box. Then, go back to ChatGPT, copy the first scene prompt. Make sure you copy everything starting from the opening curly bracket all the way to the closing curly bracket, and paste that into Flow. If you take a close look at the prompt, you'll notice there's a dialogue section, and you're free to change that dialogue to whatever you want. You can also adjust the character's action if you'd like, or if it already looks good to you, just leave it as is. Now here comes the important part. Click on the settings icon again, but this time switch the output type to video, select ingredients as the category, keep your aspect ratio at 16:9, set output to 1, choose the Omni Flash model for smooth results, and set the duration to 10 seconds. This setup will cost you 15 credits per scene, but again, if you run out, just swap emails and keep going. Once everything is set, hit generate, and there you have it. Your first scene is ready. Take a look at it.
Seriously? I wasn't expecting this fragrance to stop me in my tracks.
Pretty impressive, right? Now we simply repeat that exact process for the second scene. Drag and drop both images again, copy the second prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Flow, and hit generate. Just like that, your second scene is done. You'll follow the same steps for the third, fourth, and fifth scenes, using the corresponding prompts from ChatGPT each time. After all 5 scenes are generated, it's time to download them. To do that, click the 3 dots on each video, select Download, and choose the 1080p resolution for the best quality. Once you've downloaded all your scenes, you'll need to combine them into a single, seamless video. For that, you can use any editing software you're comfortable with. I'm using CapCut for this demonstration. Import all your scenes into the software, drag them into the timeline one by one in the correct order, and make any small adjustments if needed, like trimming, transitions, or slight timing tweaks. Then export the final video in high resolution. Now, you might notice a small Gemini watermark appearing on your video. That's completely normal, and it's very easy to remove. Simply search for 123 apps on Google. Click the first link and look for the option that says Remove Logo from Video. Click that, choose your video file, and draw a square around the watermark area. Then click Apply. And just like that, the watermark disappears. Finally, click on Export, choose 720p resolution, and save the file to your device. And that's it. That's the entire process from start to finish. You've now created a full cinematic advertisement using nothing but free AI tools, and the best part is, you can even offer this as a service to businesses or individuals who need ads and earn money from it. If this tutorial helped you in any way, please do give this video a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting and informative AI-related content. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.